missing, yo? Why wasn't starting there? You tell me. I know what's missing there. We got no battery, yo. How are you gonna start a car with no battery? Hopes and dreams? Let's go get a battery. So after messing around, having fun, making that little video for all you charged peoples out there, this is what happened. Check it out, love it, and truly grateful for what happened. So yeah. Truly gassed about the new stickers, yo. Like, what do you all think of the new logo and stickers and everything? A big thank you to Design Vinyls out there. Check them out. Yeah, they do awesome work and just really happy about how it's come out. We're going to be getting some more stickers and stuff for the Supra. So, yeah, that's going to be awesome. But yeah, what do you think of the new content as well? Like the way it's going and whatnot. Let me know. Give me a shout on the comments. But other than that, give me a like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, we'll be getting more content out there for all you lot. For hopefully more of the RS Turbo, because it's kind of, yeah, broken again. Yeah. Keep tuned and yeah, we'll just keep it coming and stay charged, yo. Cheers!